What's up guys? So today I have the Velocifire TKL02WS wireless MK. It's a wireless mechanical keyboard, not from like a big popular gaming accessory company or anything like that, but it is within budget. I really wanted a wireless mechanical keyboard because all my stuff is wireless. Got wireless regular keyboard, wireless mouse, wireless alarm clock. Yeah, let me just unbox it. Alright. I guess they're based in Korea. It took about a month to get here. Velocifire. Wait, typing that. You guys ready? I'm not ready for this. Wow, it's covered. I'll link the keyboard that I bought in the description. There's different modifications to the keyboard that you can add, and one of them is the O-ring. You have like the mechanical clicky sound, and then this will kind of soften the noise that it makes. I also got the K9 keycap set. So these are for all the, like the gaming buttons. You just switch out the regular white keys. Charging cable, user manual. I guess this is for the keycaps. This is the keyboard. It's pretty heavy. It's like, feels like really good quality actually. For like, I paid $70, including shipping for this. It's like nice. Some things that I've heard, like criticisms about like a lot of the cheaper mechanical keyboards is how tall it is. It's actually pretty tall. Like, oh, it's not terrible. I don't know if this is terrible actually. I'm not a keyboard expert. It's around like 1.25 inches from the very base to the top of the keycap. I'd probably recommend getting a wrist rest for this, for like extended use, but I'm only gonna use it for gaming, so honestly, I've never owned a mechanical keyboard before, so I have no idea how this works. How do you switch the keycaps? Let me see. We'll do this together. So this is the key puller. Alright, I guess. Let's do it. I did it! I could tell the keycaps are like not the best quality. Again, I'm not an expert, but yeah, it feels alright. And they get scraped really easily. But then again, maybe my bad for getting white keys. My fault. This is so exciting. No, I did this wrong. Yo, this is lit. So these have brown switches, in case you guys wanted to know. No! So this is it. Some basic, doesn't even have the logo on the back, but it's okay. Wow! This is it lit up. Or the USB port right here. Yeah. This is it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more keyboard videos, you should probably look at other channels because I'm not buying another one. This shit's pretty expensive and I'm not serious. I'm not a serious gamer, so peace. So finished. First time doing this. I was gonna put the O-rings in. I paid money for the O-rings and I didn't use it. Shake my head. I'm gonna do it now. Alright, I'm gonna do it for a few of them and see how they feel. Look at the little O-ring. Okay, I have no idea how this works. Anyways, check out how O-rings work in someone else's YouTube video. So this is what it sounds like with the O-rings. Thanks for watching my video. I'm like recording this maybe like a month later. I've been using this for a really long time. I actually really love it. Shout out to Velocifire for not sponsoring me, but whatever, one day. Anyways, like the video, drop a sub, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.